Hey there. Are you planning a move or simply redecorating and wondering how to move a purple mattress without damaging it or yourself? Moving mattresses can be quite a task, and the unique material of a purple mattress makes it even more important to do it the right way. In this guide, we'll walk you through the best techniques and tips for how to move a purple mattress safely and efficiently. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Before you start the move, make sure you have all the necessary supplies. You'll need a mattress bag or cover, packing tape, moving straps, and if available, a dolly. These items will help protect your mattress from dirt and damage and make the moving process smoother. Invest in a quality mattress bag as the extra thickness can provide better protection during transit. Step 2. Prepare and protect the mattress. Begin by removing all bedding and any mattress toppers. Then carefully slide or lift the purple mattress into the mattress bag. This is crucial for protection against dirt, stains, and potential tears during the move. Once the mattress is secure within the bag, seal it with packing tape to ensure it stays in place. This step not only keeps your mattress clean, but also stabilizes it for handling. Step 3. Decide on a moving strategy. Depending on the size of your purple mattress and the space you're navigating, you'll need to choose between rolling, folding, or carrying it. If you're moving short distances or through tight spaces, consider using moving straps to help with lifting and maneuvering. For queen or king sizes, having a helper can make a world of difference. Pair up with a friend or family member to safely lift and navigate the mattress through your home without straining yourself. Step 4. Use proper lifting techniques. When lifting the mattress, make sure to squat and lift with your legs, not your back, to avoid injury. Grip the mattress firmly and communicate with your moving partner to synchronize your movements. If available, use a dolly or furniture sliders to move the mattress across flat surfaces, reducing the physical strain and making the process much faster. Step 5. Secure the mattress in the vehicle. Once you've successfully moved the mattress out of your home, it's time to load it into the moving vehicle. Place the mattress flat in the cargo space of the moving truck or van, ensuring it's stable and can't shift during transit. If you're using a personal vehicle with a roof rack, ensure you have sufficient straps to secure it tightly, avoiding any overhang that could lead to damage or safety issues. Step 6. Unload and position the mattress. Upon reaching your destination, carefully unload the mattress using the same lifting techniques and navigate it to its new spot. Remove the protective bag and inspect the mattress for any damage. Once you're satisfied, position it on the bed frame. Ensure it's level and centered to maintain its supportive structure. Now you know how to move a purple mattress like a pro. With the right preparation, protective gear, and lifting techniques, you can ensure your mattress reaches its new home without a scratch. Always prioritize your safety and don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. By following these steps, you can enjoy a smooth, hassle-free moving experience and get back to enjoying the comfort of your purple mattress.